araw po muli para sa ating mga kamatalino at kamatyaga. Muli ay samahan po ninyo ako para sa ating pagpapatuloy sa pag-aaral patungkol sa operations on functions. Pero ngayon po ay dadako na tayo sa multiplying and dividing functions. So given the function f of x and g of x, we define the following. So in the product, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. While in quotient, f divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. Unahin po natin ang multiplying function. So again, ang product po natin ay f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. So una po natin halimbawa, ang given po natin, f of x equals x cubed minus 8. While ang atin pong g of x is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we're going to find f times g of x. Okay? So tandaan lang po natin yung ating given. So ano po ang ating first step? I-apply po natin ang definition for multiplying function. Ano po yon? F times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay? So f times g of f times g of x is equal to, ano po yung f of x? X cubed minus 8 times, ano po yung g of x? X squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? So now, ang atin pong second step, pag-multiply na po natin sila, gamit po ang distributive law. Okay? So, tingnan na po natin, ano po ba yung sinasabi natin dito na distributive law. Okay? So, x cubed times x squared is x to the fifth. Okay? And then next, x cubed times 4x is 4x to the fourth. Then, we have also x cubed times 4 is 4x cubed. Okay? Next, meron din po tayong negative 8 times x squared is negative 8x squared. Negative 8 times positive 4x is negative 32x. And negative 8 times positive 4 is negative 32. Okay? So, yan po ang ating f times g of x. Yan. So, erase na po natin para hindi kayo malito. Okay? So, yan ang ating f times g of x. X to the fifth plus 4x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 8x squared minus 32x minus 32. Okay? Let's move on. Punta tayo sa ating pangalawang example. So, ang given naman natin dito, f of x equals x squared plus x minus 42. Ang ating g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x. We'll find f times g of x. Okay? So, first step again is to apply the definitions for multiplying functions. F times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay? So, ano yung f times g of x? Equal to, ang ating f of x ay x squared plus x minus 42 times, ang ating pong g of x ay x squared plus 2x minus 15. Okay? So, anong ating second step? We'll just find the product of polynomials, again, gamit ang distributive law. Okay? So, isa-isahin po natin. Since ito ang ating f times g of x, gamitin po natin ang distributive law. Okay? So, let's start with x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. Okay? Then, x squared times 2x is 2x cubed. Now, x squared times negative 15 is negative 15x squared. Let's continue. positive x times x squared is x cubed. Positive x times positive 2x is positive 2x squared. And positive x times negative 15 is negative 15x. Okay? Next, negative 42. Saan na yung negative 42 natin? Negative 42 times x squared supposedly is, so lagay natin dito, negative 42x. Okay? Yan. And then, negative 42 times 2x is negative 84x. And then, we have also here, negative 42. Okay? So, we'll delete this one. No? Supposedly, negative 42 times, dapat ito ay negative 42 times negative 15. No? Pero ang nangyari kasi ay naging subtract, diba? So, we're going to times that to negative 15. Okay, so this one, negative 42 times negative 15, supposedly, yan ay positive 630. Okay, so times negative 42 times negative 15 is positive 630. Okay, so now we'll combine the similar terms. Okay, so just copy x to the fourth, no, plus 2x cubed, and then we have positive x squared. We have negative 15x squared plus 2x squared. We have negative 15x. Okay, we have negative 15x. And dapat meron pa tayo ditong itong negative 42 x squared. Ito po ay nanggaling sa negative 42 times x squared, negative 42 x squared. So, dapat dito po siya. Yan. Negative 42 x squared. Okay? And then, we have negative 15x minus 84x. Okay? So, ito ay dapat positive 630. Okay? So, merong typo error dito sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Ayan. So, inayos lang po natin. Okay? So, now, we'll simplify. No? Simplify na po natin. So, meron tayong x to the fourth, just copy. And then we have 2x cubed, 2x cubed plus x cubed is 3x cubed. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong negative 15 plus 2. And then we have negative 42. Okay, so meron tayong negative 55x squared. Okay, so ulitin natin po. Meron tayong negative 15x squared plus 2x squared. Yun po ay negative 13x squared minus 42x squared. We have 55x squared. Okay? And then we have also negative 15 minus 84, that is negative 15x minus 84x, negative 99x. And then, yung ating negative 42, no, times negative 15 is positive 630. So again, we'll erase this one. Yan. So ito dapat ay positive 630. Okay? So yan po ang ating f times g of x. Okay? Ulitin lang po natin. X to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 55x squared minus 99x plus 630. Okay? So, that's all for multiplying functions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.